subscribe with notifications on.
Yeah, some people are complaining now that South Africans, foreigners, are taking their girlfriends. So we're asking, what is the problem? Why is our South African girls preferring these foreigners more than our South African girls, South African guys? What is the problem?
Maybe because all of us are broke. At the end of the day, everybody's broke.
No,
See,
but
if you don't have a perfect job in South Africa,
Yeah.
let me tell you one thing: you can't buy a car, you can't buy a lady house. Now they take a foreigner come here maybe. He has a car, he has a house, he's gonna buy her everything. You understand? You don't want to struggle, man.
but where do they get money, those guys?
I don't know.
Where do they get money?
I
Where do they get money?
Coming here with the money.
You see, that's why I say you guys check it out, check my channel out, because those guys are also there. They have said their view.
Hey bro, they are complaining.
So maybe you learn from
They are
them as
complaining. South Africans are complaining. They are saying, no, these foreigners are coming to South Africa to take their money to our
well.
women.
We interviewed them as well.
Yeah, we
They have
interviewed them
also
as
said
well.
their view, and they also told us where they get money from. So maybe you guys can learn from them.
I'm gonna watch the channel.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm gonna see me because you making.
Yeah, no, you are going to see yourself. You are going to see yourself. You are going to see yourself.
Making a video.
No, you are going to see yourself. You are going to see yourself.
I
You
can't
see,
complain
the
about
thing
my
is,
wife because my wife is from South Africa. Yeah, I don't have a foreigner girl, and I'm interested in a foreigner person.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
You're keeping her happy.
you see what I like about you. You are married to a South African. But now, do you pay, wife allowance every month?
I give all my pay to my wife, everything.
And you are happy. He's not complaining, guys. He's very happy.
You
You can
see,
see
there
the
is this thing called girlfriend allowance.
He's a happy man. You can see.
Hey, bruh, there's this thing called girlfriend allowance.
Hello, sir. You can join us. You're more than
Girlfriend
welcome.
allowance. What is this girlfriend allowance all about? Why do ladies, have to ask men to pay them girlfriend allowance? What is it for? Exactly. Do you pay wife allowance every month?
He's a happy man. You can see.
I'm happily married. You see, I give my bank card to my wife. She have everything. If she wants something, she can buy it.
You are
Exactly.
You are happy, right?
I wish we can have guys
He's
like
a
him.
happy man and he's
My
married
man,
to
are
a
you
South
listening?
African.
Are you listening to this guy? Are you listening? Are you learning? No, really, this guy is speaking the truth.
I'm first gonna check the channel.
Yeah, no, he's speaking the truth.
You can come join
Yeah,
us.
he's speaking the
Contact
truth.
lady, she can come join us.
Because really, some guys are married, but they've got some skeletons. You know what I'm saying? You need to be free in a marriage
You need to be free.
to have a good life. You understand?
Yes, that's
Your wife mustn't even be scared to touch your phone. Some other men, some other men, they are married, but they don't allow their wives to touch their phones.
What are they hiding?
What are they hiding?
What are they hiding?
You understand?
Are you
There-
cheating on your wife?
Are you cheating on your wife? That's a
Are you
problem.
cheating on a girlfriend? Why you don't want your girlfriend to touch your phone?
We interviewed a lot of people. Some people, what they're telling us? They're saying, but you know what? You can't eat rice every day. But the guy is married.
Depends on him.
Yeah, really, they are saying that. They are saying that. Yeah, they are saying no, we can't eat rice every day. We need to change menu. But you are married. But you want to change your menu. Why you want to change your menu? But you're married.
Yeah, but you married.
Exactly.
Exactly.
So it's a problem. That's why South Africans, we got a lot of divorces and
When they
everything.
say that, they're not talking about groceries at home. They're talking about having a wife, having another girlfriend, and a girlfriend, and a girlfriend.
And there's side chicks.
The wife is
Side chicks is a lot
yeah.
of money. You must spend. You must buy her something to eat. You must throw petrol in your car. You must. She's more expensive than your own wife.
In Joburg, you know what they do, bruh? In Joburg, the girls there, the people that are working right now, the women that are working right now are actually making less money than the women that are actually sitting at home. You know what they do in Johannesburg, those girls? You find that one girl will have 5 boyfriends. One boyfriend's cough out 1.5 every month. The other one cough out 2.5. The other one 2,000 rand. The other one 3.5. The other one 5,000 rand or 4,000 rand. It's a must. You have to pay girlfriend allowance in Johannesburg. That's how it is. And you find that a person that is not working is making more money than the person who's working. So, but what do we call that? Professional prostitution. Yes, because a woman that goes and sit on the street there, that does prostitute, you can see this person is hustling. But you, as a lady, you sit at home, you are doing this thing. It's called professional prostitution. It's prostitute. You understand? Really? My man, keep it up, my man. Keep it up. You know, I want to live a life like you. I want to live, my wife, I want to...
Newly married.
Exactly, I want to live like you. Share everything with your wife. My man, thank you so much.
Careful.
Let us give you our channel so you can see.
Oh, he's got a phone there.
Okay, bring me a phone so I can...